This time, I didn't crash. Isn't that great? Crashed on the NC700X. Just making a U-turn. But the XR, no crashing. Very nice. The bitier rear tire really helped. I crashed on the 705 and this is the 700. So, very nice. A little extra bite in the rear. Terrific.
What the hell am I looking at? When does this happen in the movie?
Now. You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
We passed then.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
When will then be now?
Soon.